Hello, Cancers. Welcome everyone to this beautiful read, which is very much devoted and associated with the love language. When I'm talking about the love language, listen, that almost beautifies. How it is beautifying is important. Whenever you are cleared with the energies, the elements throws, you get a wider idea about this relationship. Now, majorly Cancers, if you're dealing here with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, which is a fire sign, usually it is not considered as a very good combination because you just see the energy. You are a water element, they are fire. It's already opposites. Already it has parted the ways because whenever they both are gonna meet, nothing is gonna, I think, come up. What is gonna happen? Just imagine this thing. Also, the reason here is because they are very aggressive opportunities, and their thought and thinkings are there, and the approach is there in their life. The opposite comes to you. You're very emotional towards your approach. What you want to deal is very different from what they think to provide it to you. So there is a basic fight that can happen in between you. So I think that needs to be sorted. Coming to the air signs, when I see uh, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, it's kind of considered as it's okay because not that bad, not that bad. Because why it is something like that? Air signs somewhere provides you this one thing, that is they are manipulative, diplomatic in their nature. So they are there to make you learn, to make you understand how you should continue in a relationship, what you should bring in a relationship, and that mutually growing arises in this particular combination. And also, when you come to a earth sign, which is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this is given as the best compatibility zones for you people, because Cancers, the point here is you want nurturing, and earth signs are there to nurture you. You are very sensitive, they are there to protect you and give you those explanations, silently work with you, because you both have the same pace too. The workflow is very similar. You both are very slow movers. You don't like to be very spontaneous and very fast in anything, whichever you're doing. That literally happens. Whenever we take personal readings, we really, clarify the people with this thought that you should understand your partner's thought, your partner's love language. What is that they're deciding, and they're giving you this respect. They're asking you, what is it that makes them feel the best and not you the best? You know, yes, this is one more part is coming up here. First thing. First thing I tell you, this individual, if they have not committed you, they would be like little bit away. They would ignore you. Ignoring is their love language somewhere. Why? I think they are not the person who could just come and tell you that, see, I like you, or some things like that. They always drag themselves below this thing that should I go, should I approach this person. They are not the action takers, I would say. They won't be taking their first moves. For secondly, what I see here is that Cancers, they will give you true commitment, like the commitment that is going to be true forever, and they would always respect who you are specific. They would love to take you to the adventure possessions and points. Also, Cancers, I feel that they want peace, and they want to share that peace with you as well. They have a habit of, gifting you flowers, or somewhere working together. Like you might do gardening together, you might be anything, cooking together. They love this thing. They would always want you, let's cook together, let's make this thing together. The together thing on working. Remember, you are working towards something, towards a goal. So you both would get together towards a goal, and you both are going to perform similarly towards a goal. Next, I feel here is that your ownness to this life is going to be very different. You would see this thing, you're going to feel that thing as well, that your partner would fight the whole world just to get you, just to save you, simply. Yes, they would be a person who are gonna stand in front of every baggages you have had in the past, or it's gonna come in the future. If you are with them, just be like that they are gonna stand in front of you to take every bitterness, every sour things. They would always give you and provide you the sweetest version. That I can tell you. Seriously, that is there, but they are not actively to, they won't take the action, they won't come to you and take the first move. Is not, you cannot expect it from them. Cancers, very sweet people, a person who is practical as well, who knows how to be in a social circle in public, and who has a nature which is combined with practicality, who is combined with aggressiveness as well. You would see a person who is a little bit older than you as well in your thoughts, and the maturity level is going to be very high. They would always make you understand what life is and how life is. So stuffs like that is bringing in specifically. This is what I'm having for you guys. I hope it's resonating. If you want to know more about it in a personal level, do book your reading, guys, through shark@gmail.com at very concessional rates. Invest it once and you would see the kind of results it's going to give it to you in the future. It's going to be very different. Thanks a lot.